Niagara Falls, Canada's Wonderland, Cup and Saucer, Manitoulin Island, Rotary Trail Park, Toronto Zoo, Task Tulip Festival, CN Tower, Ripley's Aquarium, and many more. Walk and explore Ontario, Canada with LUCIL's HIVE.
For the first time, explore the back of house infrastructure and discover where the butterflies come from, how they are transported to the conservatory, and how they are cared for by our entomology staff once they arrive. The experience also includes the unique opportunity to tour the 4 greenhouse facilities that support both the Butterfly Conservatory and the Botanical Gardens and School of Horticulture. Make your way through 180 meters of meandering pathways, surrounded by towering tropical plants and gorgeous blooms. This tropical oasis is yours to explore. You'll find feeding trays, where butterflies gather for an up-close look, specially curated blooms that attract these fascinating creatures, and a picturesque waterfall creating a virtual rainforest atmosphere. Step inside one of the largest glass-enclosed butterfly conservatories in North America and discover a tropical garden oasis. The Niagara Park's Butterfly Conservatory features over 2,000 vibrantly colored butterflies fluttering freely throughout winding pathways, adorned with lush vegetation and trickling waterfalls. Your self-guided walking tour begins with a short, informative video presentation. For the first time, explore the back of house infrastructure and discover where the butterflies come from, how they are transported to the conservatory, and how they are cared for by our entomology staff once they arrive. The experience also includes the unique opportunity to tour the 4 greenhouse facilities that support both the Butterfly Conservatory and the Botanical Gardens and School of Horticulture.
There's the butterfly. Nanay, huwag kang gagalaw na.
Had one here.
Well, you don't like me.
There was like a massive one.
I'm green. Come up with me.
Oh, what's wrong with you?
No guarantees.
can try to pick that one up if you want.
Oh, there's big one here. Tay, oh, nakita niyo to, Tay? Tay? Nakita niyo to, maraming kumakain ng orange?
Ayun, orange.
Ay, yung mga butterfly. Oh, oh.
May I have your attention, please? The butterfly conservatory, gift shop, and washroom will all be closing in 30 minutes. Thank you for coming. Have a great
Can I take you? Okay. Oh my god, it's hot in there.
Because I can tolerate that, but you can't.
I'm sweating really bad. Magbi-video. Ba't ang init dun sa mga butterfly? Mas malamig pa dito. I don't know how to go back though. Huh? I'm not good.